Hello, everybody. I'm not sure if you can see me or hear me. This is a test on going live with OBS and YouTube, and for the purpose of testing these configurations, I will try to solve a problem, the easier problem that I can find over Leetcode, and writing my password. Okay, here we are. This is my profile, and I did some a couple of problems back in February. Then I stopped doing these problems. Here's another. For today, I will give a try to one related to SQL, SQL. I don't know how you pronounce it. And as I said, I don't want to spend too much time on these exercises. So combining two tables, I logged in like before getting lunch, and I was looking without reading the descriptions. I was looking at the titles for the first problems. Top salary, not boring movies, biggest single number, big countries. How do you decide? I solved this duplicated emails probably in February. Here is customers who never order. Let's see, because hopefully it's all about counting the rows. Okay, so customers who never order. I consider myself like a very slow reader, so if a problem gives me 6 minutes a challenge, those 6 minutes I will spend it. I will spend the 6 minutes just reading the description. So I'm not sure if I don't know. Should I increment my speed reading? I don't know. Okay, here's the table definition. Column name, ID, name, the types, int and varchar. Varchar ID is the primary key. Okay, each row indicates the ID and the name of a customer. Maybe you can perform. Oh, here's an example. Okay. Case 1, customers, orders. One, two, zero. Okay, let's continue over here. Here's the other table, orders. Column name, ID, customer ID. ID is the primary key column with unique values. For this table, customer ID is a foreign key. Reference columns of the ID from the customer's table. Each row of this table indicates the ID of an order and the ID of the customer who ordered it. Okay, write a solution to find all customers who never order anything. Return the result table in any order. this will take me more time than I have expected. I was thinking about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but these last days I haven't written any sequels. I have been doing some mathematics instead, which is always great. So, okay, example one. This is good to be here because I suppose we create relations. The relations we map in our brain are born from these examples. I suppose. I am not a neuroscientist. Example 1, inputs, customers, table, Joe, Henry, Sam, Max, orders, table, here we are. One, first order is from Sam, the second order is from Joe, and they want for us to output Henry and Max, since they don't have any record in here. Okay, that sounds like left join, if I recall correctly. Left outer join. Maybe it can be done with only where conditions, with over this ID, but let's try with a left join. If you try something without knowing the behavior of the construct that you are about to test, it's a guessing game. But since we know that left join, yeah, it has to be a left join because we need record. Now I want to see if I can run the code here without okay. Okay, where we go, SQL, we have several options, even pandas. Alright, select what do they want? Names. I will name it CName. I haven't written any SQL in since the last time I went, months, I suppose. That's only an excuse. Okay, CName. CName. Select CName from customers. When I work on these exercises on my own, I mean, this is new for me, having to think aloud, especially live. When I work on these problems, I usually have some notebooks available, and I depict the scenarios that I want to get and start from that. But the problems that I tackle on a daily basis are not SQL related, so I don't know if this applies to SQL. I mean, writing is always helpful in order to help you to think, to help your brain into thinking. Okay, enough of a detour, and let's continue. CNAME from customers, as this is an alias for customers. Now I'm going to use left outer join. When I look over there, there is no any, there is not, there's nothing, there isn't a screen over there. It's just the way I suppose humans reach to the sky for, you know, to help their memories, or I don't know, you know, to the ceiling. Okay, left outer join. Orders. Orders as O. On, if I recall correctly. If not, that's not, there's no, if this isn't the syntax, there is no, it is not a sin to take a look at the syntax in the official documentation for MySQL. You have to know everything by memory. It is a good thing to know things by memory, but it's not. You can hold all the information in your head. All the information that you need to deal on a typical day. You will always find yourself consulting something. Sorry. Okay. Let's after join orders as O on. Okay. O customer. Now there's the other. I have to, when you see me looking down here, is because my keyboard is down below the laptop, because I am recording. I don't have an external webcam, so I need to, from time to time, take a look at the keys. Okay, customer ID equals customer ID. Let's say other. See, ID. Let us think for a while what kind of results are we expecting, and what kind of results we will be bringing, with what the actual results will be. Okay, left outer join over customers and orders. I will say that this will bring customers. Left outer join. That even if they don't have any record in orders, which is not the expected result, I suppose, because it will bring every 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 record, you know, all of them, because this is the left table, and whether they have a record in here or not, it will bring those. Now let's try right. This is called tinkering. You're not designing and secure, you are trying, guessing, tinker. I don't know if you know, of course you know the word, since you know, and it comes from, I will share with you this book, but it's on logic, and it says that if you should just negate the results and their actual results, and it will be like the answer. Sorry, and it is what just did here. We try left, we bring everybody because all of them have records. On the right table, there's only one case over here. There's no. I thought there was like 2 cases, and still it's wrong, because you're bringing Sam and Joe, no, Sam, Joe, and they are not like, this will take me like an hour, I suppose, or 2 hours, because now I am thinking that if this doesn't work either, because I have the pressure of being live and being seen, even when there is no public. Actually, let us see, 17 minutes. Even when there is no one here, I think this sort of pressure. So my thinking is not quite straightforward right now. I did try the left and try the right, and now I'm going to try the where condition. With, but as I said, 18 minutes, and most likely this will take me the hour. I really recommend you to, I don't know, do something else. Maybe come back later and watch the end. And sorry. Okay. Okay, and this is again what happens when you just go live without practicing. For me, it's okay because I am about to show what it is, and not any. I don't know. For me, it's okay. So let's continue with the problem. Now it broke the ones that do have records over here. And if you think on an inner join, it will bring you the same results as this, but then we can use it as a subquery and performing an like a not negate the subquery. Okay, so we're going to change this right outer join, and maybe we can add this right here, because my intention was to test the screencast live broadcasting instead of using me going through any, no, completing this exercise. But now I am hooked, and let us see if we spend 3 hours with this easy problem. Okay, inner join. This is another others on. This will bring okay. We can get rid of this. Henry and Max. Oh no, I am quite wrong with my assumptions. I was thinking these are my the output of the query. When in fact it is like my output is this one, which is plain wrong. Okay, went back to the right because now we can negate those results in our subquery. Again, I am seeing this instead of this as Sam Joe. Sam Joe. We need Henry and Max. Well, I'm thinking on a subquery. Select name from customers. I'm missing alias. Let's see. Where? C ID. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm not sure if this keyword exists on my SQL or SQL in a long time. Not in, and then we perform the subquery. But now we need we need to I'm not sure if this we can, if there is an error, we can look for this expression. I want to look for this. Or something is not. SQL not in because not in function. Choose the first one. Okay, expression not in. Yes, okay, I forgot. I was like, I'm reading this this website that appeared on the search engine. Okay, so select public web. Probably my query should be like if subquery is allowed in here and not in. So let's okay, not in. And this is my SQL. Yes. Where is the what is the subquery? Oh, publisher. Okay, not in. Select answer from bookmark airport ID not in. And what I'm doing here. Where is CID? The customer's ID. I will, just to compare the structure, the form of the sorry. Select answers, select the name because we just want the name. Class or table. Where CID, ID not in on the asterisk. Maybe sure. So because we have maybe these names are flashing. So I will use another C. Select C name. Most likely this is not being selected. Yeah. So again we are going back to, because we need to, in order to learn, we need to isolate what we are changing and after to draw conclusions after the exercise, you know. Say something like it wasn't because, or say like we were missing this on the selection, you know. Can we comment this? Yes, right. Yeah, let's run. Try thinking, experimenting, and operand should contain one column. I'm not sure. That's one here. Now I'm commenting again to see the colors. You select asterisk, bookmarks from customers as C, where C customers ID not in. Select now we can try the I think I'm missing something in the right thing. There's the right. And we have something's wrong with this. We're going. Right join table 2 on equals. Right outer join. I don't think this right join just on. Okay. I'm not sure what's on here. Let's try again with the name clashing hypothesis. Commenting. I don't understand this error. This is like the first time. But operand should what operand? Select ID, name, comma, customers, or CID not in. It's like in here. Let's try with in. Which is incorrect, but I want to see why it wasn't allowing the. If we can express with not in, we need to find a way to express the same query with where using a negation over here, and now it's taking like maybe an infinite loop. This not in. Yeah, I will try. I will hard code some values to see if it is the not in syntax is. Now it's taking forever. Pending. What's that? Oh, why is that? Is this limited to some amount of run clicking? I will refresh the website. Now you have been here for like, oh my god, 35 minutes. I feel bad about wasting too much of your time. Okay. I will bring all this over here. Comment them. And actually have goals to see if it doesn't matter. We just need to see if this is going to work or not. This is my output. 11 Henry and Max. But this is working. Let us try this select. The title for this video should be instead like tinkering with MySQL. This one. That one is okay. I don't remember it. Let us see. Okay, so the problem is in because we have this is working. Customers name, customers ID. I will pass this over here. Sorry. Name. Well, maybe we just need the name. Not in. I'm going to insert also query over here. Now this is easy. Imagine me doing a hard one, it will take me like a day. Okay, but we will try to finish this. What we have spent It wasn't my intention to spend that much time. I don't like solving this, but it seems like I need to, in fact, uh, solve easy ones on a daily basis to be more quick here. Okay, now I'm going to comment it. I'm going to comment this again, like 3. John Henry Max. John Henry Max, because we have selected 3. So the select is working. So the problem is in here. It doesn't like it doesn't like something in here. I'm not sure which what could be on all. Okay, we got rid of now. What happened? Henry Max. Is that okay? It doesn't have any check, you know. I think we can submit this. I'm not sure. I was saying the system will tell us if we are missing, like, wrong answer. Yeah, great. This is just great. Henry Max. Why is this the wrong answer? 0 of 12. The only difference that I see is this name and this name of the name of the field, the column. Now it is being accepted because we renamed the result. See name to customers. Now we can submit this again. See the expected results. My God, 45 minutes for an easy problem on SQL. But it was great. I think this was great consulting, this, and then hard coding some values to see if Leetcode was accepting that format. Okay, hopefully you didn't get bored. I mean, no one is watching, right? But in the case you see this in the future, 45 minutes is a lot. It's a long time for this problem. But hopefully you enjoyed the thinking, decision making behind, involved, tinkering, of course. Uh, you know, consulting the search engines for answers, for syntax, and probably I remember you can use like as in here, but this is also accepted back in many years ago. And yeah, I was thinking at the beginning that this will solve the problem. It was a bad assumption, but then we need to just somehow negate the result set. Well, that's all, folks. And what's this? Okay, start. Thanks for your feedback. Okay, now I have enough of this. Just let go. We did it. So if you don't want to appear here, customers who never order, you shall go to my website, to the store, and order this product, so you can build this little game. Okay, so you don't appear in the results over here. There will be a proper video promoting this product later with Blender. That's all, folks. Have a nice day. I will give a try to the advent of code. I wanted to solve a problem in there. See you later.